The word nourish for me means eating very responsibly. It means eating whatever that is in season. You have the best of everything. You have the flavors, you have the textures at its peak. Hi, my name is Chef Haikal Johari. I'm the executive chef of Alma here in Singapore. When Growthwell approached me, I was very excited and very motivated to create dishes that can be served in a real restaurant setting. So the first thing that we have to work with is the shrimp. It has a very similar texture to an actual shrimp. We try to elevate with some jelly, avocado, and a sorbet of tomato. The squid, what we did was a reduction of squid cell. We brush it on the Growthwell squid and then we charcoal grill them. We cover them with a foam of sake. The whole idea is for the diners later to discover which one is the actual Growthwell product. When I first had the lion's mane, it almost tastes like stewed beef. So straight away on my mind was actually beef bourguignon. We stew them with red wine and we roast different kind of vegetables and then make them into a vegetable jus and then braise the lion's mane in it. After we've done everything, we just do a light espuma of Jerusalem artichoke. Plant-based ingredients are really up and coming. We have a lot of customers that also have restrictions, so we can actually try and rediscover ourselves. So how to put this in our menu.